Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 19th to 23rd January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So here I have already opened the chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see, 0.36% negative move, 158.043 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bearish candle with a small body and a big upper wick and a medium lower wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 8180 level, which is around overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, we can see a good amount of support and resistance are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So let's talk about the closing first. So first let's zoom this. So here in this chart we can see a closing of 158.043. Direct support is 158.003. Direct resistance is 158.204. After direct support, there is a support of 157.776 and then 157.499. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 158.411 and then 158.619. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also this will help you to take better move capture whenever we can see a good move. Currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have recently bought 8 cap challenge of 100k. So you can also try that as well. I will soon be uploading a video once I get a payment or a payout from them. I will share the video as well, but I have given the link in the description. If you want to check that out as well, you can check that out. Also, I have shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on the challenges that you buy from any prop firms. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive closing in this end, that is 158.204 to 158.411. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range currently. If you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 158.003 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till 157.776. If this also gets breached, then you can go for a short till this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.